It's Texas Billiards Classic Car Show. This is your sneak peek. Feel free to look, don't touch. This is a sneak peek exclusive. I didn't get it. The 72. Look at that bed. With the dark stain on it. '91 on the Yamaha. Here's a sneak peek for a show that I haven't done yet. Here's a sneak peek for Wood Waves and Wheels next week. Hope to see this out there. Mach 1. The Mach 1. Simple, pure 65 Mustang. Doesn't get much more American than a 65 Mustang. It's pretty simple. 289. Looks original. Get you a little more coverage. Hood delete on this one. You get this over here. I don't know if I saw this when it came in. I don't know, I remember seeing this. Wait a minute. Is this Usual Suspects? Is this the same one? 396 turbojet. All right. Rollers. The Victory.